So Binance is now staking Tezos. So my name is Phil Champagne of Hayek Lab, and this is Tez Minute. I want to talk about Binance that has recently announced they're going to be staking Tezos. And I think a few days ago, last week, I talked about COINBASE staking and the implications of that. Now we have Binance. Binance has been doing staking for other coins. Now they've just added Tezos to this list. And what we see right now is that they have they're 90% full in terms of their balance. They have something like 1.7 million Tez in the bound. I have a list here, an image to share with you. And they have 15 million Tez staking, and basically they have 1.5 million Tez that is available for more. So if people comes in and they deposit their 1.5 up to 1.5 million Tez, they'll still fine. What we have seen, just the announcement has just been recent, so we'll see how things goes. In terms of Coinbase, right now they're at 111% full, so actually they are over-delegated. But it's fine because it takes effect in 5 cycles from now, 15 days, where then they will need to buy, basically to have 250,000 Tez additional in their bond pool, which is right now 2.8 million Tez. They'll need about to make it to roughly around 3 million Tez, so that when it's time to bake a block, they'll have the deposit to give to the network to have the right to bake the block. Otherwise, somebody else is going to bake the block, steal it from them. So that's right now they have 27.5. If you see that chart, 27.5 Tez in staking, and they are over-delegated by 2.76 million. So that means they need about 270,000 Tez. Roughly at 10% ratio, to be able to bake those things. Now, if people decide right now, in the next days, to pull their Tez out of Coinbase, suddenly they will not have as much, and they will not be over-delegated, but not yet, because there's a lag. In 5 cycles from now, they still need this 3 million Tez. It's just after that their staking will have decreased, and therefore their baking rights will decrease. So they'll be able to then, in 5 cycles from now, starting to pull out if suddenly people were pulling out Tez from their staking now. So there's really a lag. They really need to increase their Tez even though there's less, or the opposite. So we'll see how that happens. It could be actually the opposite. There's more Tez added to Coinbase, and then they'll have to buy more. But it's just to see that lag. So anyway, we will see. Now it's interesting to see the additions of new exchanges to this, and that changed the landscape. And we'll see what happens. And take care and happy investing.